How you can unlock your permanently locked Snapchat account. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can unlock your permanently locked Snapchat account. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go in your Safari or any browser that you are using, and here you just have to simply go in the search bar and you have to search for the Snapchat support. So now once you are in here, you have to click on this first link of the Snapchat support. So now once you are in the Snapchat support, here you just have to scroll down a little bit, and as you can see that here is the option of the contact us, you just have to tap on it. And from here is the first option of the I think my account was compromised. You have to click on it and you have to select this option. Now as you can see that here is the record card, so what you have to do is simply add your Snapchat username, also add your email that is associated with your Snapchat account, and you have to add your mobile number, and you have to add the description, and you have to make sure that in the description you have to type that you want to unlock your Snapchat account, and you have to make sure that you re-enter your Snapchat account ID, and here you have to fill up this reCAPTCHA and you just have to submit your report. And after submitting your report, you have to wait for the Snapchat to respond to your report. So this is the only way that you can unlock your permanently locked Snapchat account. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.